Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Products. Today I would be unboxing Tuwoo Video Smart Bell. Like, this is a smart bell which helps you to improve the security of your home. Now coming to the features of this video doorbell, it has a HD video camera which captures a 720p video, and it has a night vision. It also has a cloud storage, and you can also get motion detection, a 8 GB memory card. It's compatible with your phone. Like, whenever there is a motion detection, it sends you the alerts directly to your phone, and you can also see the person who is visiting you or who has ring the doorbell through your phone. Now let me unbox this and see how it works. Here is the manual they have provided with this, like how to fix this onto your door or install it onto your door, and here are the instructions like how to set it up and install the app onto your phone. Here is the video doorbell, you can see it over here. Here are a set of screws to fix this onto your door. Now let me see how it works by installing the app onto my phone. Now before installing this video doorbell onto your door, I have to set the batteries over here. Now let me open this. I have opened this. You can see the seals over here. I have opened the seals over here. Now you can see I have removed the seal. Let me check, like, it's activated now. You can see like there is the red color LED light over here indicating that it is active. Now let me install the app onto my phone. Here is the barcode to install the app. Now let me scan the QR code. Okay, it took me to a link over here. You can see the app is named Tuwoo. I'm installing it. Now I have downloaded the app in the main screen. Now I have to add this video doorbell. You can see a plus button over here. I have selected the add device. It is asking to, yeah, you can see like it is asking to check like whether the LED light is flashing. I have selected it. You can see there is enter the configuration interface. I have selected it. You can see Tuwoo Wi-Fi network over here. I have selected that. Now the device is trying to connect with the video doorbell. It is connected. You can see over here. Now let me go to the next step. It is loading it, and I have to configure the Wi-Fi router with it. I have selected the router. Now you have to set up the admin password. I entered the admin password for this. Now it is asking me to confirm it. Okay, I think the device is configured now. You can see the blue light is coming over here. It is getting configured. Now let's test this. Let me ring the bell over here. I pressed it. You can see you would receive a call as soon as the user clicks the bell. Now let me receive the call. You can see the video is streaming over here. See, you can see my hand over here. Like this way, like you can, whenever someone rings your bell, you directly get the call to your phone, and you would be able to see their face. And also you can, there is a microphone over here, you can see over here, so that whatever they speak you can hear over your phone. This is a very good device to protect your home, especially if you have security concerns, and it helps you to protect your home. Also, you can see like whoever is visiting you, or you can confirm like when some delivery person visits your home. I recommend this product to everyone who wants to safeguard their home, and it is a very good device for even for offices and other places as well. You can buy this product from Amazon at this link. You can see the link in the description. It also has a motion detection as well, like if there is a motion, it recognizes it and it sends you a notification as well.